Possibility chains are a strategic foresight framework for leaders navigating accelerating uncertainty. They don't predict outcomes, they show how the future forms year by year, through compounding forces across science, technology, society, geopolitics, economics, environment, and philosophy. Each chain starts from today's realities and traces a 6-year pathway forward, revealing how signals activate, constraints build, and systems adapt. This surfaces inflection points, opportunities, and emerging risks early. What sets possibility chains apart is their systemic lens. They connect innovation, markets, governance, and human behavior, exposing interactions traditional planning misses. The result is strategic clarity. You see what's changing, why it matters, and what comes next.